Hi guys, it's your girl Jolene. Don't come for me. I just got through I'm trying to take this off with some isotone, but I got a dentist appointment. So before I just wanted to take that, I was in the process of taking it off before my dentist appointment. But while I'm off today, I have a little time on my hands. I've been wanting to do a what's in my Chanel Maxi. Isn't she beautiful? I love her. So what I've done, I like this little thing. I didn't want to wear the long strap, so sometimes I'll just put this over my shoulder like this. And sometimes I wear the long strap, but it comes off, so it's okay. So I'm going to show you what's in my Chanel Maxi, my double flat. So I'm going to untwist it. So, like I said, this comes off. But I'm going to keep it on. I just got it tucked in there. Okay. I have in here, this is going to be the first thing I bring out because this is what I need most after I get through taking this nail stuff off. This is Neutrogena hand cream. It's pretty good. Young lady I work with was telling me about it. Name is Janine. I got my little brush and comb, more of my comb brush thing. I have a hair clamp. Isn't it beautiful? To pull my hair up and clamp it. Pull it out of the way. Amazon, guys. Everything comes on Amazon. I have a little mint. Some mints. Mentos. Some gum. I have my glasses. I just went and got some glasses. I like green. So I got them in green. The lady didn't really like it, but she ain't got to wear them. I do. Isn't they cute? Swarovski crystals on the side. I like green fairly well. I didn't want to get the thin, skinny legs or arms. I just use them when I drive at night. So they work for me. Who cares if she likes them or not? The lady at the eye place. I have some mascara. I got it from the beauty supply. It was just real cheap. Ruby Kiss. Now the one that I really like, that's really good, I get it off Amazon. I have my Juicy Licious Ruby Kiss lip gloss. It's so good. I should put some on. The Ruby Kiss. What is this? Cotton candy. I have my Maybelline It Don't Kiss Off Lip Last 24-hour lip long last lip wear. I have I got these at the gift shop across from my job at the hospital where I work. These are my Bluetooth. I have some more Ruby Kiss Juicy Licious lip gloss, mango butter. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. I bought about 6-9 tubes at one time of this stuff. Isn't that beautiful? It's a good moisturizer. You should try it. Ruby Kisses, Juicylicious. It should have it on Amazon. Everything's on Amazon. I have my little cute Chanel little coin pouch. It's a soft leather. I love it. You got some bracelets. My green bracelet and my gold bangle. I took off of my desk. It's like card holders on the inside. Let's see. I have a pain relief lidocaine patch. My back has been bothering me. And I have some candy. I have the Now and Laters, the pineapple kind. They're so good. So I can have the snack on later on after I come from the dentist. This is another lip balm. Intense Therapy. This is by Jack Black. It's the lemon shea butter. SP25. This is a really good one. Lip moisturizer. Amazon. I have just a few mints. If I go to church, I wear this normally to church or something if I have some clothes on. But I probably wear it today. I have the ginger mints on Amazon if you got a cough or something. They have the peppermints. You keep in your purse just in case. Or the Lifesaver mints. Just in case someone need it. Or I may need it. I'm just going to put it in my coin purse. I also have... I just put a piece of tape on here. This is a Anchor charger. You can charge whatever kind of phone you want to charge with it. Android. I think I got this from Best Buy. One of the guys I work with had one. I thought it would be a good idea. I'm going to get a smaller one. This is the size of my cell phone. It's so wide, but it does a good job. Charge your phone up. This is the little charger cord I have wrapped in my purse also. So on the go while I'm out and about, Anchor is pretty good. It's a good thing to have. And that is pretty much it. Because if you put too much in there, it will also have your... I made lip gloss, guys. I definitely have to show you this. I made some lip gloss. This and another kind. I think I'm going to take it out my purse because I don't want it to leak. I made this myself. Yours truly. But you can't tell the difference because I just put another kind on there. I made it. I bought it. I did a DIY. I bought the oils, the containers. What else did I purchase? The colorings, pink powder to mix it up with, the syringe to suck it out of the container to put it in here. That was also inside my purse. I'm gonna start putting everything back. My mascara, my glasses, my Mentos gum, my hand cream by Neutrogena, Ruby Kiss cotton candy, Ruby Kiss mango, Maybelline lip stain. Have your lips cute and pretty like me. My lidocaine patch. My Annie comb to comb my hair out. My lip balm by Jack Black. Chanel wallet. Now later's pineapple. Bluetooth. Earbuds. My anchor. I can put this back here. I'll put this in the back part of my wallet. And my hair clip. So this is what fits inside my purse. Thank you guys for watching this video with me. Now, I'm going to be passing it down. Going to be off to my dental appointment today while I'm off work. I can get some things done. Thanks for watching. What's inside my Chanel Maxi flap? Good leather, gold heart wear. The chain I have tucked because I wanted to put this on here. This is actually a belt I got real cheap, inexpensively. And I can just wear it like this. Get my hair out the way. You see? If I don't want to wear the straps out. Woo. Thanks for watching.